So this is Taz, and Taz is a ferret, and he's about 5.5, 6 years of age, and he's doing really, really well, but he's in today because his owner, Jenny, just noticed that he has some thinning of the hair on his tail. You can see it looks like a little rat tail, for lack of a better word, and this is a common sign that we see in ferrets as they get older, particularly the ones that are in the United States that are very inbred, that eventually go on to develop adrenal gland disease. And adrenal gland disease is actually a tumor that occurs in the adrenal glands. There's one adrenal gland in front of each kidney, in front of the ferret's kidneys, and unfortunately they tend to develop benign and malignant cancer in those adrenal glands. And what happens is the tumors actually release a lot of hormones that can eventually lead to hair loss and to itchy skin, and most importantly, to suppression of the bone marrow. So the bone marrow is where red blood cells and white blood cells are made, so ultimately ferrets can become anemic. And one of the problems that we see in male ferrets is that male ferrets actually have prostate glands, and the hormones can actually swell the prostate and cause a urinary tract obstruction so that they can't urinate, and as a result they end up in the hospital straining to pee, and that's a life-threatening emergency. So we can actually prevent that by trying to treat them, and there's ways to treat them surgically by removing the adrenal glands, but in some of the older ferrets, like our good friend Taz here, he's not really old, just a little bit old, we will actually use lupron hormone, which is a hormone that we give by injection monthly. It's actually used in women, and what it does is it suppresses the production of the hormones by these tumors. So hopefully his hair grows back and he becomes less itchy, so his quality of life is better, but it also shrinks down the prostate, so we don't have to worry about that urinary tract obstruction problem. So if you have a ferret like Taz, of course not as handsome as Taz, who you do see hair loss, and sometimes it's on the tail, and sometimes it's actually over the body, over the trunk, or anywhere, you should definitely have that checked out. Another sign that we might see in female ferrets is that their vulva, back toward the back end obviously, can get very swollen. So if you see that too, along with the hair loss, that's another sign that we should check out your ferret. And it's a very common but treatable problem, but something that you really need to deal with before it becomes a very serious issue. So that's why we're here today, and we're going to treat Taz today, right, Jenny?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so part of our checkup of Taz here today is to do a really good physical exam. So we're just going to check out his eyes. Hi, doesn't that smell nice? And we're going to look at his ears. And we're going to look at both of his ears, and you can see he has a little tattoo here. And that signifies that he's from a breeder in the United States that very commonly breeds these ferrets. And we're going to look at his mouth. He has a little dental tartar. We need to be brushing his teeth, and if you're not brushing your ferret's teeth, you should. And eventually they need to be professionally cleaned when they get a lot of tartar, right? And we're going to feel his lymph nodes. And he's got lymph nodes underneath his armpits too. And they feel good. And we're going to turn him around. His lymph nodes all feel good. We're going to feel his belly. We feel his kidneys. And we feel his liver just behind his rib cage. And we feel his bladder, which is the size of a little walnut right now. And everything feels good there. He doesn't love this, but we can feel everything in there. And we're going to look at his hair coat, and as we noted before, it's getting a little thin, even over his back here, a little thinner than it used to be. And one thing that we do recommend is that you brush your ferrets every day or every few days so that you can see how easily their hair is falling out. Sometimes with adrenal disease, it does fall out more easily. And also to decrease shedding and the development of hairballs. They'll ingest their fur and their hair, and it can get obstructed inside their intestinal tract and cause them to vomit sometimes. We're going to turn him over and just look at his underbelly, look at the bottoms of his feet, we're going to look at his little tush, and his front feet, and just give a feel around. And he looks good. We already noted the thin hair over his tail. We're going to listen to his heart and his lungs. And to this, we just have a little special little infant pediatric stethoscope. And the ferret's heart sits way, way, way back in the middle of their belly. And his is very slow because he's a really mellow ferret. Listen to his lungs. And he sounds really good. So we don't see anything obviously wrong with him other than his hair loss, which is likely due to adrenal disease, but you just saw us do a good exam on him, and he should have an exam at least once a year, and as they get older, it's twice a year. So, we do note things that you might not note at home. When you're just petting him or looking at him at home. Jenny was astute and noticed that he did have some hair loss, but there are some things that we'll pick up on exam that you might not see. So you should have your ferrets checked out, and let's treat problems before they get to be very serious ones. So this is a female ferret who has adrenal disease, and she's been on Lupron treatment for a while, and you can see actually the hair has come back nicely on her tail. But one of the other signs that we can see in females is enlargement of the vulvar tissue here. And it can get really, really large and look like kind of like a donut on there. And hers is a little bit large, but it's actually smaller than it was before Lupron treatment. So that's another sign you're going to want to look for if you have a female ferret that has thinning hair who could potentially have adrenal disease, and that is something certainly you would want to have checked out.